Connecting mobile hotspot to PS5. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to connect T-Mobile hotspot to PS5. So let's get started. First, turn on hotspot if you're using an Android. For this, open settings and here select mobile network. Then select personal hotspot, then enable the hotspot and set a custom name and password. If you are using an iPhone, then go to settings and here select personal hotspot. Now turn on allow others to join and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. Always remember the Wi-Fi password shown on the screen. Then on your PS5 home screen, go to settings and here choose network. Then select setup internet connection and tap on use Wi-Fi. Then find your hotspot name in the list and select. Enter the hotspot password you created earlier. Then check your phone for a connection notification. Your PS5 should now be online using your T-Mobile hotspot. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.